Hi guys, this one Samsung 6.5 kilogram, the model number WD-B1255. This is the machine and the power on, not working. Power off, remove the plug, unplug, and I remove this board. You can see this one. This board is the defected now. I found I have another board, defected board. You see this one already defected. I check here, the switching components all okay. This switching IC only problem, this one. You can see here. I remove this board, the defected board. You see from here, and I fix there. Now everything okay. You see, okay. Okay. Thank you.